Hey guys, Darren here from KIFFIX again. Today I'd like to show you how to use the files and storage facility on the KIFFIX platform. So from the main dashboard, you would go here to Files. This is the area where you're able to securely store your files, your assets as an artist or a record label, things such as contracts, music, photos, your electronic press kits, contracts, etc., etc. So basically, to start, you get 30 gigabytes of storage space. We can increase this for you if you need it. There's a little drop down here with a little bit of information regarding the sharing and the files. So have a read through that. But basically, to start off, you go to New, and you can create a new folder, for example. Let's just name that folder one, and you say create. It'll create the folder inside. Open up the folder, and then you're able to upload your files into the folder. And then you can go back to your home. We also have some preset template folders. So this is a new release folder. This is an empty folder, so all the folders will be created for you, but nothing inside. Or you can go a new release folder with notes. We've actually put notes in the folders to tell you exactly what to store in each folder. I've actually created a new release folder here. So if I open this, you'll see it opens up as this. There is a release folder for your masters, your artwork, metadata, your contracts, your promotion, and your social media and sharing. Once you have populated and uploaded your files into the release folders, you're able to then share the folder. So, for example, you click on the little share button here, and it'll open up the sidebar, and you click Add Share Link. This will create a link for the folder that you're wanting to share out, and then you just copy it like that. There are some really, really cool kind of functionality and things you can do with the folder. For example, you can hide the download. So let's say it's a new track that you're wanting to send out, but you don't want someone to download it. You just want them to kind of listen to it on the KIFFIX platform or the KIFFIX folder. You can click the hard download button. If you drop down on these three dots here, you can say customize share settings. You can have the folder as view only, allow editing and upload, or a file request upload only. So you can kind of toggle between those depending on what you're wanting to do with the folder. Advanced settings, you can change the link name. You can actually create a password for it. If there's some sensitive information, you can just send the password out, and whoever has the password can access the folder. And you can also set an expiration date for when you want the link and the folder to expire. And again, the hard download there. And then you just save changes, and then you're able to use that link to send out and collaborate with record labels or blogs or other artists, whoever you're wanting to share the folder with. Any other questions, just let us know on our Instagram. You can drop us a DM or go to www.kiffix.com and sign up to KIFFIX. Thank you so much, and we'll chat to you soon.